Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily stop getting emails from websites at your Gmail account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Gmail app. Here I got some website, here it is, and it keeps sending me emails about their changes. I don't want to get that emails anymore, and in that case, if you got some websites that keeps bothering you, you can just open up their emails, and then next to the email just hit right here at three dots icon, and then select block and the website's name or the sender's name. You can just hit right here where it says block to add that contact to your blocked list. And now you will still get that messages, but all that messages will be moved into spam folder, so they wouldn't be appear right here at your primary inbox, but you can in any time easily find them just right here. I can't find spam folder, here it is, so you can tap at spam, and then right here you can find all the spam emails. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Gmail tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.